think I lost even like 7 kilos more since I've seen you in Amsterdam, and now I gained it back, obviously. I'm
Yeah.
focusing more on just high intensity training.
Okay. You're doing it?
Yeah, like got a new plan since like 1 month, more like Mentor style training. I train like 3 upper bodies per week, and all of them are almost the same, different exercises and just low volume. So just like 3 to 5 reps of an incline bench, same thing for lat movements, and then just three times a week. So it's like, yeah, low volume, high frequency. So you're not doing much volume, so you don't really fatigue. So you recover easily and you can hit the same muscles more often, which in theory would stimulate hypertrophy more. So let's see if it works for me. But so far it's going good.
Nice. So you've been on that exercise thing.
Kind of, yeah.
Nice. For me, it goes in phases, you know? I discover something and then it's like, I enjoy it a lot. I do it like all the time. And then it starts to like drop and then I don't enjoy it. And then I find something else. I start enjoying it again. So it's like that.
But that's good.
Yeah.
That's natural.
First it was like gym, weightlifting. Then it was like yoga. Then it was bouldering. Now it's hit and core workout. I did a marathon, by the way, recently.
Oh yeah.
Bro,
You
that's
really went
so.
in George style, right? Based on your story. I'm surprised you didn't get a heart attack because your heart rate so consistently at like 180, that's dangerous, man. I was like, whoa. Well, you're
Yeah,
used to
bro.
it probably with the high intensity training, what you showed, right? Also,
Yeah.
so you're used to it. But that was like, whoa, next level stuff.
Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, I went into it with no preparation. Like, bro, you know how I
Oh,
did? Yeah, you know how I was like, okay, I'm gonna run a marathon. Cool.